Few days back, an article popped up on my screen. The title of the article is AI and Water. And according to that article, soon AI is going to be responsible for the water shortage all over the world. But how AI is related to water? As we know that Delhi is facing an intense heat wave, which is a clear sign of climate change right now. But did you know that the technology that we love, like artificial intelligence, is also responsible for this climate change? Let me tell you some facts. Training just one AI model can release up to 6.2 lakh pound carbon dioxide, which is equal to the amount of carbon dioxide released by 5 cars to their entire lives. Which means as we are going to use more AI, there are more carbon footprints all over the world. And this is not it. We know that to run AI, there are different kinds of GPUs and CPUs are required. And since they are doing complex calculation, they require large amount of energy. And at the time of recording this video, AI data centers are already consuming 2% of the electricity that is required to run the entire planet. Big companies are already looking for a greener AI, which means using more renewable resources or training the AI model to get best output, or by creating smaller AI models and training the algorithm to get more better results. As AI is changing our lives, we need to think about its environmental impact. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section and follow more for more interesting AI news like this.